computer is fresh out of the box, chances are that you don't have majority of the apps that you might want to use, and to go to individual websites and download them might take some time. So there's an easy way to actually install multiple apps as per your requirement. So let's just do that right here. So I'm going to go on to my S browser right over here, and from here you can go to a website called ninite.com. So Ninite.com right over there, ninite.com, and I'm going to press enter. So once I go there, you can see that you're redirected to this website right here. And here what you can do is you can simply take out the apps that you want to install onto your computer, and it'll download all of them and install it as per your liking. For example, you may want to download web browsers like Chrome, Opera, and Firefox. You may want to download, let's say, for example, WinRAR and 7-zip for compression over here. Maybe you want to download Zoom over here. Maybe you want to download Thunderbird. And let's say maybe you want to download from the other section. So you just choose the apps that you want to get installed, like Google Earth, for example. You can just choose this out. So VLC, I definitely want that, for example. And then maybe Winamp, Audacity for some music edits, and maybe Handbrake right over here. If you want to install runtimes, then you can install that as well right over here. And you got the utilities over here as well, even the classic start. I don't want that right here. There's some imaging. If you are into graphics, you can install these as well. And documents like, okay, Fox8 Reader is there. And over here, you can see that there's Dropbox like Google Backup and so forth. So you can download all of these, as you can see, Avast Antivirus and maybe FileZilla. So just like that, I'm going to select all of these just like that. So whatever I want, I'm going to select. Check these out. Once I do that, I'm going to click on Get Your Ninite, and once I do that, it'll generate an installation file which will allow us to install everything. So you can see that now there's an exe file over here. So if I want to install this out, I can simply click over here and I can run this, and it'll prepare the setup. So I can just close this out, and you'll be able to see that it'll start downloading and installing all of the apps right over here quite easily, just like that, without us having to manually download all of them. And this is one of the efficient ways to install software. So it's preparing, as you can see, and it is downloading right over here. So once you go into show details, it'll show up the applications which it is actually putting in queue. So it'll download them. So while downloading, it doesn't do anything. Of course, after it downloads, it installs one application and then downloads the other one automatically, just like that. So once everything is done, they'll be installed right over here, and you can see that Firefox browser is in my computer now, just like this. So just like that, we'll continue installing out all the software. So I'm just going to cancel this on mine right over here because I have all of the applications already installed. But anyways, if you let this run, it'll start installing all of the applications one by one, and you don't have to manually install all of them. So how great is that? So that is how you can install multiple apps all at once using Ninite installation in Microsoft Windows 10. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.